Bechtel Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Bechtel is one of the world's largest engineering and construction firms, but most people get this wrong. They think pricing is rigid and only for huge projects. The surprising truth is that Bechtel offers tailored pricing based on project type, complexity and geographic location. Small to mid-sized industrial projects may start in the low millions, while mega infrastructure projects can exceed billions. You won't believe the value at Bechtel includes engineering design, procurement, construction management, safety compliance and environmental services in their pricing. Most people get this wrong by ignoring the risk mitigation and efficiency benefits embedded in these services. Payment structures are flexible, with options like milestone-based billing, lump sum, or cost-plus arrangements depending on project needs. Bechtel also provides detailed cost transparency for clients, allowing better budgeting and forecasting. In conclusion, Bechtel pricing is designed to reflect the scale, complexity, and quality of service. By understanding project type, scope, and contract structure, you go from zero to pro in evaluating construction investments, ensuring value and reliability.